What's going on, guys? We're at Kevin's house. We got the Civic right here. So Versatile Wiring actually sent us some stuff. So let's take a look and see what we got. Versatile Wiring actually sent us a tucked wiring harness, charge harness. You can see it doesn't look the best. I had disconnected already some stuff, but as you can tell, don't look that good. Hopefully with this harness, we'll be able to make it look nice. So let's get the rest of the harness off and I'll show you guys how it looks. We got the old harness out. It's not too pretty. Looks pretty disgusting. So I'm gonna throw this harness away, put the other one on. Right, Kevin? So here's the new harness from Versatile Wiring. Got the logo right there. It looks pretty good. The car is finally back home. Very excited. Here's how it looks with the Versatile Wiring harness. Pretty clean. The only ones you can really see are like this distributor, intake temp, map sensor, and a little bit of the TPMS. You can't really see the injector ones, but looking very, very clean. So we'll have a video out, the full drive, first drive, of when we took it home and how she did. So watch out for that video probably in the next week or so. But that's how she came out with the Versatile Wiring harness. We will be tucking some more wires over here and over there, relocating the battery to the back and whatnot. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give her a start just so you can see the wiring harness actually works. Fuel pump kicks on. Everything good. Gauges are working. Let's get it. Cold start. So as you can see, wiring harness is awesome. Everything's pretty much tucked in the back, as you can see over there. So very good wiring harness. If you'd like to get one of your own, visit versatilewiringllc.com. If you'd like to purchase one of these wiring harness, go to versatilewiringllc.com and use code performance20 for 20% off to anything in the shop. So check them out. Once again, code performance20, anything in the shop, anytime use. Thank you again, Versatile Wiring, for good wiring harness. One big thank you to Ricardo. Very good help. If you have any questions, just let Ricardo know and he'll get you handled with a wiring harness for your Honda. So that's the end of this video. Make sure you look for the first drive video coming out pretty soon. And that's all for this video.